Choosing the right windows for your Redmond home is an important decision that goes beyond aesthetics. The windows you select will have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency, comfort, security, and overall curb appeal. Whether you're building a new home, replacing old windows, or simply upgrading, selecting the right windows requires careful thought and consideration. In this article, we'll guide you through the key factors to consider when choosing the best windows for your Redmond home. Consider your home's architectural style. The first step in choosing the best windows for your home is considering your architectural style. Different window styles complement different types of homes, and choosing windows that fit the overall look and feel of your house will enhance its aesthetic appeal. Traditional and colonial homes. For homes with traditional or colonial designs, double-hung windows are an excellent choice. These classic windows feature two sashes that slide vertically, allowing you to open the top or bottom for ventilation. They fit well with symmetrical, formal designs, and you can even add decorative grids or grills for an added touch of tradition. Modern homes. If your home features a modern or contemporary design, you may want to opt for casement windows or picture windows. Casement windows open outward on a side hinge, creating a sleek, minimalistic look and allowing for better airflow. Picture windows, on the other hand, provide large, uninterrupted views of the outdoors, perfect for showcasing a beautiful landscape or cityscape. Craftsman and bungalow homes. For homes with a craftsman or bungalow style, awning windows or casement windows work well. These styles complement the earthy, simple aesthetic of craftsman homes and are highly functional, allowing for ventilation without sacrificing privacy. By matching your window style to your home's architecture, you'll enhance your home's overall appearance and create a cohesive design. Energy efficiency and insulation. Energy-efficient windows are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor climate in Redmond's variable weather. The right windows can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, keeping your home more comfortable and reducing your environmental impact. Double or triple pane windows. Double pane windows are the most common energy-efficient option, with two panes of glass that create an insulating barrier. For even better performance, you can opt for triple pane windows, which offer an extra layer of insulation, further reducing heat loss or gain. Low E glass coating. Windows with low E, low emissivity, glass have a special coating that reflects heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This feature helps to improve your home's energy efficiency, ensuring that your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Gas-filled windows. Many energy-efficient windows are filled with argon or krypton gas, which adds another layer of insulation between the panes of glass. This helps to keep the temperature inside your home stable, reducing your reliance on your HVAC system. When choosing windows, look for options that are ENERGY STAR rated, as these windows meet high standards for energy efficiency. Climate consideration. Redmond's climate is characterized by mild winters and moderate summers, but it can also experience periods of heavy rainfall and windy conditions. The right windows should be able to withstand these weather patterns and protect your home from the elements. Weather-resistant windows. Opt for weather-resistant windows that can withstand rain, wind, and varying temperatures. For homes in areas that experience high moisture, consider windows with water-resistant frames and high-performance glass that prevents condensation buildup. Storm protection. If you live in an area prone to severe weather, such as heavy storms or high winds, you may want to invest in impact-resistant windows. These windows are designed to protect your home from flying debris and reduce the risk of damage during a storm. Security features. Windows are a primary point of entry for burglars, so choosing windows with security features is essential for keeping your home safe. Look for windows that come with strong frames and reliable locking systems. Multi-point locking systems. Many modern windows, such as casement windows, come with multi-point locking systems. These locks secure the window at multiple points, making it more difficult for intruders to force their way inside. Impact-resistant glass. For added protection, consider windows with impact-resistant glass, which is designed to be more difficult to break. This type of glass is ideal for homes in high-risk areas and provides an extra layer of security against break-ins and natural disasters. Budget and installation costs. When selecting windows for your Redmond home, it's important to consider your budget and the installation costs. Window prices can vary significantly depending on the material, style, and features you choose. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are a popular and affordable choice for homeowners looking for a low-maintenance, energy-efficient option. They offer great insulation, are durable, and require minimal upkeep. Wooden windows. Wooden windows offer a timeless aesthetic and natural beauty, but they tend to come with a higher price tag and require more maintenance than other materials. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are known for their durability and energy efficiency. While they may be more expensive than vinyl, they offer excellent insulation and can last for many years with little maintenance. It's important to balance your budget with the long-term benefits of your windows. While higher-end options may cost more upfront, they can save you money on energy bills and increase the overall value of your home. Professional installation. Once you've selected the best windows for your home, proper installation is essential to ensuring their performance. Even the highest quality windows won't deliver the desired benefits if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that your windows are properly sealed, aligned, and securely fitted, maximizing their energy efficiency and security. Conclusion. Choosing the right windows for your Redmond home. Choosing the best windows for your Redmond home involves balancing aesthetics, energy efficiency, security, and budget. Whether you opt for classic double-hung windows, sleek casement windows, or impact-resistant options, the right windows will enhance your home's beauty, comfort, and value. By considering factors like your home's architectural style, climate, and security needs, you can make an informed decision and enjoy the benefits of new windows for years to come. With the right choice and professional installation, your home will be safer, more energy efficient, and more attractive.